Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. Everyone who grows orchids wishes to have a garden full of vibrant blooms, with many buds, flowers blooming evenly, and lasting a long time on the spikes. To achieve this, besides proper lighting and watering, supplying the right nutrients will help orchids stay healthy, grow steadily, and bloom more easily. Today, I will share with you a very simple organic fertilizer method that is easy to make at home, helping orchids grow lush and healthy, produce more buds, and bloom more vibrantly with longer-lasting colors. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any useful orchid care tips. Let's get started. Bananas are a very healthy fruit for the human body, as they contain many important vitamins and minerals. When eating bananas, we often throw away the peels without realizing that banana peels actually provide many benefits for orchids in the garden. I will cut the peel of one banana into small pieces like this. Banana peels contain many minerals, especially a rich amount of potassium, which helps orchids grow strong, stimulates bud formation, and promotes faster flower development. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After cutting it into small pieces, I put all the banana peels into a clean plastic bottle. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. The next ingredient I use is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder has antibacterial properties, helps limit fungal diseases, and also repels harmful insects and flies, protecting orchids better during their growth process. Add 1 liter of warm water, then close the bottle and shake well so that the nutrients from the banana peels and cinnamon powder are thoroughly dissolved. Next, let the solution ferment for 1 day in a cool, well-ventilated place, away from direct sunlight. After this time, the nutrients will be fully extracted, making the solution ready for safe and effective use on orchids. After 1 day, once the solution has been fermented for the required time, I will take out a portion to use for orchid care. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. First, filter out about 200 milliliters of the concentrated liquid fertilizer solution. Next, dilute this 200 milliliters of the solution with 1 liter of clean water. Diluting it makes the solution gentler and safer for orchid roots, reduces the risk of fertilizer burn, and makes it suitable for regular use on the plants. Method 1. Wiping the orchid leaves. Pour the diluted solution into a small cup, then use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth to soak up the solution and gently wipe all the orchid leaves, both the upper and lower surfaces. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, fungal pathogens, and insect eggs clinging to the leaf surface, while also allowing the leaves to better absorb the minerals in the solution, thereby enhancing the photosynthesis process. When wiping orchid leaves, the cinnamon powder acts as a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent. Cinnamon helps inhibit the growth of fungi and bacteria that cause leaf rot and leaf spots, while also repelling small insects that often cling to the leaf surface. In addition to orchids, you can also use this solution to wipe the leaves of many other ornamental plants in the garden, such as anthurium, peace lily, pothos, and ZZ plants. After being wiped, these plants will become cleaner, have shinier and healthier leaves, and grow more steadily. Method 2. Pour the diluted solution into a spray bottle, then mist it evenly around the orchid. Spray lightly on both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, as these areas absorb nutrients very quickly and are also where insects often hide. You can also spray a thin layer around the base of the plant and on the surface of the growing medium to enhance protection against fungal diseases and pests. It is best to do this in the early morning or late afternoon and avoid spraying during strong sunlight so the plant can absorb the solution better and prevent heat stress. Method 3. Pour the diluted solution into a dedicated watering can, then gently and evenly water around the base of the orchid. When watering, you should do it slowly, so the solution gradually soaks into the growing medium, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients as effectively as possible. Banana peels contain a large amount of potassium, calcium, magnesium, and other natural minerals, which help stimulate strong new root growth, improve water and nutrient uptake, and support the formation of flower spikes and buds. As a result, orchids grow healthier, bloom more evenly, and produce flowers with longer-lasting, more vibrant colors. Cinnamon powder has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to limit fungi and bacteria that cause root rot in the growing medium. In addition, the scent of cinnamon essential oil helps repel harmful insects, keeping the orchid base clean and safe. When these two ingredients are combined, orchids not only receive added nutrition, but are also comprehensively protected, allowing them to grow more steadily and healthily. Seal the remaining solution tightly and store it in the refrigerator to use gradually, which is very convenient. For the next uses, you only need to take it out, filter it again if necessary, and dilute it at the correct ratio to use immediately, without spending time preparing and processing the ingredients from the beginning. Results after caring for orchids with banana peel and cinnamon fertilizer. The orchid root system shows very clear improvement. Many new roots begin to emerge, with plump green root tips. The roots are strong and firmly attached to the growing medium. They absorb water and nutrients more effectively, helping the plant stay stable and recover quickly, especially orchids that were previously weak or slow-growing. The leaves become darker green, thicker and shinier, with clean and healthy surfaces. Thanks to the antibacterial and insect-repelling properties of cinnamon powder, the leaves are less affected by fungal diseases, leaf spots, or pests. Most notably, banana peels, which are rich in potassium, strongly stimulate the flower bud differentiation process. Orchids that previously struggled to bloom and only produced leaves for a long time begin to develop new flower spikes from the leaf axils. These spikes grow strong, thick, and evenly, creating a solid foundation for high-quality flower buds. When the flowers bloom, their colors are more vibrant and fresh, with thicker and sturdier petals. The flower spikes hold blooms longer, with less premature dropping, and continuous blooming helps keep the orchid pot full of vitality and long-lasting beauty over time. What do you think about this method of caring for flowers using banana peels and cinnamon powder? If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with others, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you won't miss more simple and effective organic orchid care tips. No fancy ingredients needed. This next method uses simple items but delivers surprising results. For today's formula, I need to prepare 500 milliliters of hot water. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, I will use turmeric powder. Turmeric powder contains many natural antibacterial compounds, especially curcumin, which helps heal wounds, reduce fungal diseases, and support the plant's recovery after pruning or being moved to a new growing environment. I will stir 1 spoon of turmeric powder into 500 milliliters of hot water. The hot water helps the nutrients in the turmeric powder dissolve completely, creating a gentle golden solution that is perfect for disinfecting and stimulating new root growth. Finally, I will cover the container and let the mixture steep until the water cools completely. By then, all the nutrients from the turmeric powder will have been fully released into the water. Do you usually rinse your rice before cooking? Every time we rinse rice, we often pour away that cloudy white water without thinking. But what you may not know is that rice rinse water is actually extremely beneficial for your indoor plants. Rice rinse water contains a high amount of B group vitamins, plant proteins, and natural minerals, all of which help plants recover quickly, stimulate new root growth, and make the leaves greener day by day. I will let the rice powder settle at the bottom before using it. Once the powder has completely settled, the water on top will become clearer and contain just the right amount of nutrients, making it very safe for the plants. Once the turmeric water has completely cooled, I will filter out the undissolved turmeric powder, keeping only the pure turmeric water. This is the part that contains the most nutrients, helping with antibacterial and antifungal protection, and supporting the plant's recovery very effectively. I will combine the turmeric water and the rice rinse water to create a completely natural plant nutrient solution. Next, I will pour off the settled rice rinse water, taking only the clear layer on top. By letting it settle, the heavier starch sinks to the bottom, while the clear water above is full of B vitamins, minerals, and plant proteins, gentle yet extremely beneficial nutrients for indoor plants. To prevent the plant from fertilizer shock, I will further dilute the solution with 1 liter of clean water. This dilution is very important. Method 1. When the plant has been pre-watered and the growing medium around the roots has reached the ideal moisture level, this is the best time for the plant to start absorbing nutrients. At this point, the roots are awake, softer, and the root cells are open and ready to take in the best components from the solution. Now, I will water the base of the plant with the diluted solution. Method 2. Next, I will pour the nutrient solution into a specialized spray bottle. Using a spray bottle helps disperse the nutrients into fine mist droplets, allowing them to evenly coat the entire surface of the leaves. Then, spray evenly over the entire orchid, from the top and underside of the leaves to the stem and the surrounding growing medium. The turmeric water in the solution helps clean the leaf surface, provides mild antibacterial protection, and reduces mold growth. Meanwhile, the rice rinse water delivers B vitamins and natural minerals to nourish the leaves, gradually making them darker green, glossy, and thicker over time. Method 3. About 20 minutes after you've sprayed the nutrient solution evenly over the entire orchid, carefully check the leaf surfaces and leaf axils for any remaining water droplets. If there are still water droplets, you should immediately use a soft cloth or cotton to gently wipe all the leaves. This is very important to prevent standing water on the leaves, which can lead to mold or bacterial growth and negatively affect the plant's health. This is also one of the main causes of stem rot and yellowing leaves in orchids. Results after 3 months. You can see that my orchids have turned lush and green again, with sturdy, glossy, and vibrant leaves. The root system has also grown stronger, firmer, and healthier than before. For those stubborn orchids that hadn't bloomed for a long time, new flower buds have now begun to appear, fresh and healthy. This proves that the natural solution method, combined with root watering and misting, not only helps plants recover, but also stimulates them to bloom on schedule, even if they were previously weak or reluctant to grow. With consistent care and proper application of this method, you will see all the orchids in your garden recover, thrive, and prepare for a spectacular flowering season. Now, let's enjoy the blooming flowers in the garden, all nurtured entirely with natural organic fertilizer. Each vibrant, radiant flower is the result of patience and love for the plants. What do you think about this plant? Care formula. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'm eager to read and discuss them with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you won't miss the next videos on natural, safe, and effective plant care. See you in the next green journey at Wonder Garden.